Good morning, everyone. It's Marla. It's time for my last specialty tea box, and this one is perfect for what we're dealing with right now in the world. These are boxes that are a little different than their normal subscription box. If you go to the Sips by website, you'll see an area that says tea boxes on it. If you click on that, it will take you to a page and show you all the specialty tea boxes that Sips by offers. As I said before, Sips by is a tea subscription service. They deliver teas monthly to your door for $15 per month, but they do offer specialty tea boxes like chai tea boxes, a sleep box, and the specialty tea box that I'm going to showcase today is the immune boosting tea box. The teas inside are supposed to contain ingredients that should help to boost your immune system. This tea box can be purchased just as a one-time box for $15, or you could get a 3-month, a 6-month, or a 12-month Sips by box gift card. Now, the teas that are included in this box and that are specific to this box are Tealyra Immunity Booster, Organic India Tulsi Turmeric Ginger Tea, My Red Tea Organic Rooibos Tea, and Tea Drops Boost Tea. The box comes with enough teas to make about 15 cups of tea. So let's go to the box. I'll do the unboxing and I will take one of the teas and test it out. Every time you get a tea box from Sips by, there'll be a card in there. It'll tell you what box you received. For example, if you're receiving the monthly subscription, you'll get, your April box, your May box, your June box. Or if you are ordering one of their specialty tea boxes, it'll say what the tea box is. So this is Sips by's Immune Boosting Tea Box. And then if you flip the card over, it gives you all the information on the teas that are in the box. This box contains Tulsi Turmeric Ginger Tea, Boost Tea, Organic Rooibos Tea, and Immunity Booster Tea. It also tells you the caffeine levels. It also shows you how to steep the tea and sometimes also gives you promo codes for discounts in case you like the tea and you want to order it yourself. So let's get started. The Tulsi Turmeric Ginger Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Boost Tea by Tea Drops, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Organic Rooibos Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And finally, the Immunity Booster Tea by Tealyra, I have a large packet of those teas. So I think I'm going to go with the Tulsi Turmeric Ginger Tea. I love anything that has turmeric in it. And this is also caffeine free, which is what I'm looking for. So let me boil some water and then I will put the tea bag in and steep it. This tea was absolutely so good. I love turmeric, and this tasted just really delicious. I was so happy to introduce you to all these boxes of specialty teas from Sips by. Really enjoyed all the different categories that they covered, like sleep or anxiety or building up your immune system. I will leave all the information for this particular box, this specialty box, down in my description box. I'll also leave a promo code down there in case you're interested in receiving their monthly tea box in the mail. That's $15 per month with no US shipping. These specialty boxes and the subscription box from Sips by are really great for people like me who like a lot of variety when it comes to teas, and I like to test out lots of different teas, so this lets me be able to do that without buying the entire box. Take care, guys. Be safe. Drink your tea. Bye-bye from Marla.